A news from Tamil Nadu, where protests have erupted against the three criminal laws, the three new criminal laws. Madurai bench High Court lawyers have boycotted the court as well as blocked the road. These lawyers are demanding the withdrawal of the three new criminal laws. DMK legal wing, they protested outside the district courts, while AIA DMK's legal wing is set to protest today as well. The Madras High Court lawyers they said to boycott the court on Monday. They objected to the Hindi names for all these three acts. They are demanding consultation with all stakeholders. Now, the three new criminal laws, that is the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, they came into effect across the country on Monday, July the 1st. They brought widespread changes in India's criminal justice system and ended colonial era laws. And Sam Daniel joins us to get us more details on the phone line. Sam, what is the objection on? Is it just the Hindi names or the fact that they allege that there was no consensus before these laws were passed?
Osama, as we speak now, another development. The AADMK lawyers are also protesting as we speak outside the Madras High Court. We are rushing to speak to them. But their reasons for the protest is threefold. One, of course, is the Hindi name. They say it's Hindi imposition. This also violates the constitution. Secondly, they say there are widespread changes which, without consultation with all the stakeholders, the central government should not have bulldozed it in parliament and got it passed, as they call it. They say to begin with, for example, there are provisions for people to be taken under custody up to 60 days, which could lead to widespread harassment of the accused person and also could lead to opening of floodgates in terms of fresh cases filed in the courts. Secondly, with respect to, for instance, the handcuff, they say the new laws allow handcuffing accused persons, particularly those with many number of cases and also their family members with many cases. This again, they say, could be misused. And coming to the criminal procedure law, they say that is not a colonial law. This was actually passed post-colonial era in the early 70s, and there's no reason for the central government to change it. If at all they had wanted to bring amendments, they could have tinkered with that without changing the name. And again, they say there are provisions which could be misused, and they want this to be first discussed in a larger, broad way across the country before it is actually brought into force. Of course, now it is in force. How much the central government will budge, that's something we'll have to wait and watch. But tomorrow, the ruling DMK will hold a hunger strike in Chennai. Today, the ruling DMK advocates also are protesting outside the district courts across Tamil Nadu. But how much of this how much of a change will they be able to bring about? That's something we'll have to wait and watch.